Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Minister of Human Resource Development Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has released the NIRF Ranking 2020 on June 11. Every year, the MHRD releases a list of top universities and colleges in India through the help of National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF). The framework is designed using various methodologies such as teaching, learning and resources, research and professional practice, graduation outcomes, perception and outreach, and inclusivity. Careers 360 brings to you an analysis of top colleges as per the latest NIRF ranking and some dips and growths that took place in this year's ranking. Let us first know about the top 5 colleges in India which have managed their mark in the prestigious list. Miranda House College. Miranda House College bagged the first position with an overall score of 77.23. The college has been able to manage its spot successfully from the last 4 consecutive years. Lady Shri Ram College for Women has bagged second place with a NIRF score of 72.08. Last year, the college was ranked in the 5th position. Hindu College. Hindu College has secured the 3rd position across Indian top colleges, securing 60.67. The college has seen a decline of 1 position this year. St. Stephen's College. St. Stephen's College has secured 4th place with an overall score of 66.71. The college has successfully been able to maintain its position like the last year. Presidency College, Chennai. Presidency College, Chennai slipped from 3rd position to 5th position. It has an overall score of 68.89. The next table in this video lists the top 10 colleges in India with their latest and previous year NIRF ranking. Major takeaways from NIRF College Ranking 2020. A total of 5 DU colleges are listed on the top colleges of NIRF Ranking 2020. The first 4 positions of NIRF colleges ranking have been bagged by the colleges of Delhi University. 12 out of 20 Delhi University colleges have made their mark into the prestigious list, and 29 DU colleges are listed on top 100 colleges in India. Delhi, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu are the only 3 states which are able to position their colleges in the top 20 colleges. Delhi leads with a total of 12, followed by Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, both having 4 colleges in the esteemed list. Last year, as many as 11 DU colleges were listed in top 20 colleges in India. 3 colleges of Tamil Nadu are listed in top 10 colleges, and 3 colleges of West Bengal have secured a position in top 15 colleges in India.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.